Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool one right here, and basically what these are some corner protectors or corner guards. So you definitely set this up on your cabinets, your tables, basically any product that has like a sharp corner. You basically want to get one of these right here to add that like extra protection layer on there. So that way you don't have to worry about bumping yourself on the sharp corners, or even for your kids, your pet, or whatever. So this is basically what the product looks like right here. And for the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 12 of these right here. But let's open this up to show you guys what the product looks like before we actually install it. So like I mentioned, they provide you guys 12 of these right here. But since they're all the same thing, I'm just gonna show you guys what one of them looks like. So we got the material on here. It's definitely pretty flexible. And then see right here, they definitely have the adhesive tape that to remove before you guys stick onto the corner of your table, your cabinet, or whatever. And the whole entire product is pretty flexible, so that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to set up and install it. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. Let me actually go install this to show you guys how to set it up and show you guys when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so see how we have a sharp corner right here. So I basically want to use the product here and just tape it onto right here, so that way I actually have that protection on here if I can see. So if you guys want to leave it like this, you definitely can, but if you can see, it's kind of loose. So what I'm going to do is remove the adhesive tape inside, and then you guys want to stick it on. So let's do that first. So basically want to peel off all the adhesive tape on here first. Alright, so we just peel all of it out. So what I'm going to do is install it right here. So when you guys install it, you want to make sure it fits correctly before you guys stick the adhesive tape on here. So you basically want to push it all the way in and then push it down. Once you guys have it correctly, then you basically want to push it down to stick it on. And you probably want to hold it for like a few seconds to make sure it fits correctly. And then once you guys have it set up, this is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys actually bump here in the corner, you don't have to worry about it anymore because it's definitely protected. So that way, if you or a family member or kids or pet actually bump in the corner right here, you don't have to worry about it anymore because it definitely has that protection on here, which is pretty nice. If you guys try to take it out, it won't take out. It actually stays in pretty nice because of the adhesive tape that's on here. But if you guys ever need to remove it, you can feel free to use like a blow dryer and turn it on high heat since it is adhesive tape right here. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice and it definitely works really well. I'll come back, guys. So 90 so quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product. If you see that once we actually install it, it definitely does work. So now I actually have like the protection on the corner of like the table, the cabinet, or wherever you want to set this up. Basically, if you guys have like any product or furniture that has a sharp corner, this is basically where it actually comes in handy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys have any product or furniture that has like a sharp corner, you definitely want to get one of these right here to add that like extra protection layer. So that way you guys don't have to worry about hurting yourself, your family member, your kids, or even for your pets when they actually bump on that corner. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.